Hello, in this video, we will go through typical questions which are asked on operators in Python. The questions are either of the type to identify which category the operators are or what is the output of some expression using these operators or explaining some special operators like in or is. Let's do a quick review before we jump into the questions. Operators are special symbols that perform specific operations on operands. Operators fall into 8 different categories: assignment, arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, shift, membership, and identity. We will not showcase the usage for each one of them separately, but we will use them as we go over the questions. First are arithmetic operators, which are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, division, etc. Here an important question that is asked is, what is the difference between slash and double slash? Slash always performs a floating point division and returns a float data type. Double slash performs integer or float division, so it removes the decimal and returns only the integer. So if you are asked to print the output of dividing two perfectly divisible numbers, do not forget to put decimal 0 after it. Double slash, on the other hand, will remove the decimal value and give the answer. Another question asked is around difference between single star and double star. Single star is a multiplication operator and double star is exponential or the operator for the power of as shown. A very important property of star is that it works on all data types. If you are given a question to predict the output of a string multiplied by 3, it will replicate it thrice. In this question, predict the output, 2 will be replicated 4 times to give 2, 2, 2, 2 in the first part, and in the second part, 5 will be multiplied by 6 to give 30. Here make sure you notice whether both the operands are numbers or are different data types for you to give the right answer. Next are relational operators, which are used to compare the values. So we have less than, equal to, not equal to, etc. Note that not equal to is written like this and not like this. You could be asked to write an expression to validate if a number is greater than 5000 and less than or equal to 10,000. Here you can write an expression like this. Next are logical operators, which are used to perform logical operations on the given two variables or values. They are and, or, and not. You could be asked to write an expression to validate if a number is a Buzz number or not, which is if the number is divisible by 7 or ends with 7. Here you will combine the two expressions using the logical operator OR. Next there are membership operator in Python, in and not in. They are used to validate whether a value is found within a sequence such as string, list or tuple. For example, if the question is to write an expression to check if a character is vowel or not, then you will create a string containing all the vowels and then use the in operator to check if a character ch is vowel or not. This will return true or false. Next we have the identity operator, is and is not. They compare the memory location of two objects. So the question asked could be, is A equal to B same as A is B? Answer is no, as equal to compares the value, while A is B compares the memory location if that is also same. Next are assignment operators, which are used to assign any values to variables or result in expression. There are also shift operators and bitwise operators, which we are not covering in detail over here. Now that you have seen the operators, you should be able to answer the question as to whether these are valid or invalid operators. Like here, less than, greater than and double and are invalid operators. Remaining all are valid operators. Or the question could be identify the type of operators. Here in is membership operator, double star is arithmetic operator, not is a logical operator, equal to is comparison or relational operator, and is an identity operator. Some questions on this are to give final result after solving an expression where a mix of operators are used. Like in this expression, what would get printed? Here you need to know the precedence of operators. Multiplication, division, modulo all have same precedence. If precedence is same, then the associativity is left to right. So division will happen first and then modulus. So is the output 1 or 1.0? Since division returns a float data type, the final result is also in float, so answer is 1.0. You need to know the precedence and associativity well to be able to answer these questions correctly. Here you need to remember that exponent is the only one which has right to left precedence. So a question on what is the answer of this expression evaluates to first calculating 2 raised to power 0 which gives 1 and then 5 raised to the power 1. To practice more questions on Python, do visit my website which has many more practice questions to help you in your exam. Good luck!